Next, we will see some of the extra options which are available here in journal. For example, in this cell, I have written a value like 1, 2, 3. Suppose this is a value which is written in this particular cell. We will see, for example, I click here and click on journal. When I click on this drop down, you can see there are many options. It means that we can format this particular cell value in these formats and many more, which we will see later. First one is journal. Journal means in the original format, by default it is written. By default you will see it is coming in journal format. Next what we have is number. For example, I want to convert or format this particular cell value in number format. So I click here and you can see 2 decimal zeros are added so that it is converted into numbers now. Next one is currency. For example, I want to make it in a rupee or dollar, whatever it is. For example, by default it is coming rupee. So I click here, a rupee symbol is here now. You can see. Also, we have seen how we can add the currency from here as well. If you want to convert this into dollar, you can click here and it is converted in dollar now. Means that you can do the formatting. We will see some custom formatting in the next video. Next we have accounting. Accounting is same as the rupee, the number, currency. Next one is sort date. For example, I write any date here, today's date, for example, any date I write like 24/05/2022. When I click enter, it is now in date format. Means that it is a date. What I want is, you can see when I click here, it is sort date. Means that DDMMYYY. Next, if I click on long date, it will come like this. We will be getting the name of the month, 24th May 2022. So this is how we can use both of the options like short date and long date. Suppose I want to convert this into time. When I click here, you can see it is converted into time now. Why it is coming 0? Because we don't have any time. It is still coming in date. When you see here, date is coming around, but what we have converted it into time. So it is currently showing only time. When I click again and click on this short date, you will see we are getting this date. Next is percentage. Percentage we have already seen here in this particular format. So it is same as this symbol. Next is fraction. I have written any value which is like 5/3. Click enter or delete. Suppose I take only this value 1, 2, 3. No, it is taking as a date format, but I don't want it in date format. So I click here. Firstly click in journal. When I click in journal, it is converted into 1, 2, 3 now. I click here and click on this fraction. When I click on this fraction value, you can see it has taken some space, but is not. It is a fraction now. So basically, rarely used functions are these. If I click on scientific, scientific means, for example, I have a large value which is not coming inside a cell. Suppose like this, not plus, like any value, any number value which is more than 15 characters. When I click anywhere, you can see it is coming like 7.855 somehow, E+22. So this is the long character format, or we can say it is a scientific. When I click here and click on this scientific, you can see it is converted into a scientific. It is basically used for the long values. Okay. Now last is the text. When I click here in text, you can see it is converted into text now as it has moved into the left corner part. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.